person to bestow a token of appreciation then sir. I would now like to announce, I would request all the dignitaries on the stage to please come forward to give the Best Engineering Marvels Award. The Best Engineering Marvel for the year 2013 and 14 goes to Vedanta Aluminium Limited for their project conversion of ESP to hybrid ESP. I would request the representatives from Vedanta Aluminium. So we would like you to say a few words about this project of yours, because we just don't want to give away the awards, but we want to celebrate this engineering marvel for the whole year to come. I would request Sri O.P. Rawat sir to please present over the Best Engineering Marvel Award to Vedanta Aluminium for their project ESP to hybrid ESP conversion. So just a few words.
Good evening to all the distinguished guests, sirs. Myself Mantosh Kumar Sinha, and he is Mr. Huzafa Hussain. This we are having the operations at Vedanta at Jharsuguda locations of 1.75 million tons of aluminium productions with around more than 3,000 megawatt power plant also. So in that we have the CPP of 1215 megawatt, where we have this we were having the ESP conversion ESP, and due to the critically Jharsuguda is declared as a critically zone, so this was envisaged to have the convert this conventional ESP into the hybrid ESP. We have the, so that's why we have taken this project. Mr. Huzafa will tell how we have done this.
Good evening to all. The need for this project was because of our care for the mother nature, our environment. Since sir has already told, we are located in critically polluted zone of Jharsuguda. Our SPM level target given from pollution department was well below the industry standard of 150, and we ourselves has taken the target of 50 milligram per annum cube of the SPM. So that required, our original design of power plant had 5 field of ESP, and it was not capable to achieve what we targeted, the SPM level. So it called for additional fields of ESP. So there was no space available. We had to convert the existing field. It was 5 field ESP. The 2 field of ESP was converted into back filter. And now what we are getting is, in this picture you can see the chimney is not having, we cannot see a single trace of any particulate matter with all the 9 units running. So this was achieved without disturbing the load schedule, without disturbing the smelter requirement of power. All the shutdown was taken, and it was clubbed with the annual statutory shutdown required for the boiler. Each unit retrofit was complete within 55 days, and 15 days pre-shutdown activities were done, in which prefabricated ducts and all were fabricated, tower crane erected, and this is what we achieved. Now we are having SPM level of around 25 to 30 milligrams per annum cube. And once again, thank you very much for showing overwhelming interest in our project. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Vedanta. The second Best Engineering Marvel for the Engineering Excellence Award 2013 goes to Airports Authority of India for the new integrated passenger terminal building at Kolkata. We have recorded a very detailed interview of Dr. B.P. Sharma in our studios as a part of this nomination process. I would request Mr. O.P. Rawat sir to please hand over the award to Dr. Sharma. So I would like to say a few words about this magnificent model.
A very good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of Airport Authority of India, Chairman Airport Authority of India, Calcutta project team who was involved with this project, I would like to thank Engineering Watch, the jury. I know it was a very hard process to go through because we had been associated with this nomination quite some time. And a special thanks to Mr. Mittal who has been behind this. Calcutta project, as you see on your screen, or also you will be able to see it in the Watch magazine which has been distributed to you at page 94, 95 and 96. This project was taken up by Airport Authority of India in 2010, 2009 with a target of 2,500 crores project completed in 40 months. This project, as we have been seeing it on the screen, this is a very unique blend of Indian culture, local heritage and engineering excellence. If you see on the roof of this building, the great Rabindranath Tagore script from the Gitanjali was taken up, and as I explained to Mr. Mittal earlier during this nomination presentation, this was a Hercules task to execute, but we as an engineers at Calcutta project has decided that this has to be blended by and culture which is going to be a lifelong time. These scripts from the Gitanjali were taken up and got screen printed on the roof, a process where we brought the material from Korea, sent it to UK for screen printing and then got executed at Calcutta at a height of 36 meters. This is a green building and it is one of the first airport, not only in the country, around the world, which has been given this culture heritage to the city of Calcutta. With these few words, again thanking Mr. Mittal and his team and Engineering Watch and the jury once again, thank you very much for honoring this.
Thanks a lot, sir. In fact, Calcutta Airport had a very, I will say, sinister kind of appreciation. They were quite appalled and astonished as to how the jury has put a chapati making machine developed by a CSIR institution in the most impactful initiative as a number 2. So that was a cause of consternation all through. In fact, there was a surprise element all across. So, sir, that's for Professor Ramesh and Professor Sharma and all the academicians to justify out here as to on what parameters things had been taken across. I would now like to invite the third best engineering marvel for the year 2013. It goes to BEML Limited for their project design and development of 150-ton electric AC dump truck. I would like to welcome Shri Sushil Singh Ji, who is the Member Parliament and convener of this Engineering Excellence Awards. And I would like to request Sushil sir and Rawat sir to jointly hand over this token of appreciation to BEML Limited. So the audience would like to hear a few words about this fabulous project.
evening to distinguished guests gathering. As it is a best engineering award, this truck earlier we have imported in the all open mines, open cast mines. This is a higher capacity, up to 100 ton. Indian design is available. This truck is 150 ton. All these days, now also in some of open cast mine of Coal India, HZL and other places, trucks made by Komatsu and Caterpillar are working. In this is not a mechanical truck, it's an electrical truck. Alternate is driven by engine and wheel motors takes the drive. Here, in this, not even a small amount of engineering support by the external agencies. It's a full indigenous design from BML R&D. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. I think we are running short of time and Rawat sir has to leave as promised. We would relieve him in time. Before we let sir to really